This is the juiciest chicken breast I've ever had. Score the chicken breast in a crosshatch pattern without cutting all the way through. No need to marinate the chicken. It's ready to cook right away. Lightly salt or skip it. The sauce is salty enough. Add your favorite spices. I used garlic powder, smoked paprika, Italian herbs, and black pepper. Heat a pan with your favorite cooking oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. Coat the chicken well in flour on all sides. You can use all-purpose or cornstarch. Pan fry the chicken on both sides until golden brown. Now for the best part. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Press in 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Coat the chicken well in the sauce, spoon it over the top, then reduce the heat and let it simmer in the sauce. Simmer until fully cooked, about 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy! This is one of the juiciest, most tender chicken breasts you'll ever make. Give it a try.